Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide dedicated to help you remove the malicious pop-ups that come from the site Boot-upquickintenselytheproduct.vip. In fact, this is a very long name of the website with this set of random characters after the main site name. The website claims that you need to install some sort of recommended ad blocker. Some other versions of these pop-ups also indicate that this is some important Chrome browser update. But in reality, all this information is totally faulty. These pop-ups try to force people into downloading and installing unwanted browser extensions that may change a lot of crucial browser settings. For instance, they may change the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab too. So what happens is that when you open the new tab, you get something else instead of the blank tab. And when you submit some search queries, you get the results by some other unwanted search engines that have never been chosen by you. So this is all happening because of such fake alerts by this long website. In case any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed, you should uninstall them. Access the menu, Settings, choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings. Go to Permissions, then choose Notifications and research the sites allowed to send notifications. When you find any malicious sites that could cause such pop-ups, get rid of them, because often such malicious push notifications could point people to such scary pop-ups. Finally, if any extensions were mistakenly installed, again go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions, disable and remove any third-party extensions like that. To make sure that the system is free of any other concealed threats, I do recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching and investigating the system to detect and delete all other threats that could be hidden on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.